Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable iPhone battery percentage on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now to enable battery percentage on your iPhone, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search battery. Now from here, tap on battery. Now from here, make sure you enable battery percentage. Now once you enable this feature, the percentage of the battery will appear on the battery icon at the upper right corner on the display. And this is how you can enable iPhone battery percentage on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.